Hello, it's Shane from Caneva. I'm just making a quick video. What I done is I recorded myself building for 15 minutes, and then all the bugs that happened to me in the 15 minutes, I've took out and I've snapped together. Now, a lot of them happened at the one time, so I'm just going to show you this first section right now. So as you see, I selected 9 different objects and I'm pasting them now. So they all paste just fine, everything seems okay. And then I realized, where's my movement helper? So I go back in the settings and I bring it back. I figure it disappeared when I pressed escape, so I bring it back and then I accidentally paste again. Just it slipped my mind that I had already pasted, so I paste it again. And all my wisdom, I'm like, oh well, undo works now. I'll try and undo. But there's no feedback telling me that I've actually undone something, so what I do is I just give up on trying to undo and I just select everything. The plan being to just rotate it all 90 degrees so I can see what ones I can delete. But something happens and they all disappear. I find out later, you'll see that I find out later that the objects that disappeared didn't actually disappear, they just went somewhere crazy, like way off in the distance over there. So the rotation was like way off for some reason, I'm not sure why. So I start trying to select it all, and that keeps happening. I misclick and I click the floor and it undoes my selection. And this happens to me maybe 4 times. I really wish clicking the floor didn't unselect. I wish it just selected the floor and then you could unselect it. But anyway, so I eventually managed to get everything selected without misclicking by going really slowly. And I pick all that stuff up. Then I pick up the ones that I left over here and I just paste the new ones again. Okay, so I redo what I was doing originally and I paste them all, then I rotate in. As you can see, it jumps off to the side when the axis is actually in the center. So why it's doing that, I don't know. It does it all the time though. Okay, so the next thing that happens is I want to select these and copy them, but as you see, I select the wall because the outside of the wall is transparent. Before the new physics, that never used to happen. You could select straight through the wall to the object with the visible normals. But now, when you try and select through a wall, it selects the actual wall in front of you. So that's just something I decided just to leave in there. Okay, so the last thing that happens to me in the 15 minutes is I tried to select things in front of me, and as you can see, the HUD pops up, and I accidentally click rezone, which I then have to find where I just was, because the HUD appears as soon as you go to the top of your screen. I would much either rather have the HUD visible or a way to toggle so the HUD doesn't automatically appear on your screen when you move to the top. Okay, so that's pretty much all the things that happened to me within that 15 minutes period of building. And so I'm just going to post this on YouTube and I'm going to send it to the techs and show you guys what's happening to builders. Thanks for watching.